candlestick patterns. In this episode, we are going to learn about a candlestick pattern which is very popular and very powerful, called the doji. Till now, we have learned about two candlestick patterns, three candlestick patterns, but doji is a single candlestick pattern, and it is so powerful that it can completely change the trend. In a doji, the opening price and the closing price are the same, so it is neither a red candle nor a green candle, it's just a line. There are four types of doji: the normal doji, the Dragonfly Doji, the Gravestone Doji, and a four price doji. Let's talk about the normal doji first. The normal doji can occur either in a downtrend or an uptrend. If it's a downtrend, it has the power of completely changing the trend to an uptrend. If it's an uptrend, it has the power of completely changing the trend to a downtrend. In a normal doji, the upper shadow and the lower shadow are approximately of the same size. Few things that you need to take care while trading in a normal doji. First, there should be a clear downtrend or a clear uptrend. Next, the entry. If it's a downtrend and a doji occurs, that means the trend now can be an uptrend. You should take an entry when the next green candle closes above the high of the normal doji. If it's an uptrend going on and a doji occurs, that can mean that a downtrend can occur next. So what you should do is you should take an entry when a red candle closes below the low of the doji. Next, the target. If it's a downtrend going on and you're expecting uptrend to come next, your target should be next immediate resistance. If it's an uptrend going on and a doji occurs and you're expecting a downtrend to come now, your target should be the immediate support. Stop loss can be your doji's high or low depending upon the trend. If it's a downtrend, your stop loss should be the low of the doji, and if it's an uptrend, your stop loss should be the high of the doji. Next, we'll come to Dragonfly Doji. A Dragonfly Doji is a bullish pattern. In a Dragonfly Doji, the lower shadow is significantly larger than the upper shadow. This would basically mean that a downtrend is going on, and in the next candle, the bears were really trying to push the price down, but the bulls came back into the picture and they pushed the price up, and the opening and the closing price remained the same. Few things that you need to take care while trading in a Dragonfly Doji. First, there should be a clear downtrend going on. Next, the entry. The entry should be when a green candle closes above the high of the Dragonfly Doji. Your target should be of immediate resistance, and your stop loss should be the low of the Dragonfly Doji. Next, we'll talk about the Gravestone Doji. The Gravestone Doji is completely opposite to the Dragonfly Doji, and this is a bearish pattern. In a Gravestone Doji, there should be a clear uptrend going on, and then a Gravestone Doji should form. That would mean the bulls were really trying to. That means that the bulls were really trying to push the price up, but the bears came back into the picture and they did not let the price go up, and there were rejections, which led the price to close at the opening price. Few things that you need to take care while trading in a Gravestone Doji. First, there should be an uptrend going on. Next, your entry should be below the low of the Gravestone Doji. Your target should be your next support, and your stop loss should be the doji's high. Next, we are going to talk about a four price doji. A four price doji occurs usually in stocks where there are no buyers nor sellers, or it can even occur in stocks which opens at its upper circuit or lower circuit, so there is basically no trade going on in that stock. When a four price doji occurs frequently in a stock, you should avoid taking trade in that stock. You do not trade in such stocks. It is definitely not trader friendly. We will look into an example of a doji. This is a chart of HDFC Bank, and if you can see here, there was a clear uptrend going on, and over here there is a doji being formed, and we got an entry in the next candle itself. and it took the price down from 1100 to 900s. That's the power of Doji. With this, we'll come to the end of the video. We will talk about more candlestick patterns in the next coming videos. Till then, take care. Cheers.